Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing about the descheduling algorithm and visualizing them with the help of an app. Without any further ado, let's get started. This is the introduction page where we discuss the technicalities about the descheduling process and some important terms pertaining to the topic. First, we go through the general definition of descheduling process, and then after, these are the definition of seek time, rotational latency, transfer time, disk access time, disk response time, which are important terms to know in the constant context of descheduling process. Then after, there is algorithm button which take us to the page of list of algorithm. By pressing on FCFS button firstly, you have to enter the value of an array, and following this, you need to enter the order of requisite in the space provided. For example, let's keep the value of head as 40 and value of array as 25, 67, 56, 87 and 45. Then after, the seek time simulation of the graph appears. On the same page, there is a button of view animation. By clicking on it, you can see the animation again. By clicking on the I button, you will get information about FCFS. FCFS means first come first served. FCFS is the modest scheduling algorithm. FIFO quiz processes in the order that they reach in the ready queue. Since context switches only occur upon process termination and no reorganization of the process queue requires, scheduling overhead is minimal. Similarly, we have the other 5 algorithms. Now we will understand the working of the remaining 5 algorithm. SSTF. SSTF means shortest seek time first. In SSTF, requests having the shortest seek time are executed first. So the seek time of every request is calculated in advance in the queue, and then they are scheduled according to the calculated seek time. SSTF is certainly an improvement over FCFS as it decreases the average response time and increases the throughput of the system. Now we go to scan. In scan algorithm, the disk arm moves in a particular direction and services the request coming in its path, and after reaching the end of disk, it reverses its direction and again serves the request arriving in its path. So this algorithm works as an elevator and hence also known as elevator algorithm. Now we will go to cscan. In scan algorithm, the disk arm again scans the path that has been scanned after reversing its direction. But in cscan algorithm, the disk arm instead of reversing its direction goes to the other end of the disk and starts servicing the request from there. Since this algorithm is similar to scan, it is also known as cscan, which means circular scan. Now we will go to the look algorithm. It is an advanced elevator algorithm, similar to scan, but instead of moving to the end of a disk in a particular direction, ARM will serve and move to the last request in that direction, and then reverses the direction and serves till the last request. Look is an improved version of scan as it reduces the response time and waiting as well. CLOOK. It is a circular advanced elevator algorithm similar to cscan, but instead of moving to the end of the disk in a particular direction, ARM will serve and move to the last request in that direction, and then moves to the closest request to other end of the disk and serves request from there towards the direction of head. It is the best disk scheduling algorithm as compared to other ones with uniform waiting and response time. Now we can see the compare algorithm right at the bottom. If we click the compare algorithm button, we can compare every disk scheduling algorithm by simply entering the value of head and order of request. Now, for example, let's set the value of head as 45 and the order of request as 15, 67, 78, 94, 56 and 21. After executing it, graph of seek count comparison and seek sequence comparison will appear on the screen. We can also review the animation of the graph anytime you want by simply pressing the review button. Now, let's suppose we have to compare any particular two or more algorithm. Then we have to uncheck those algorithms that are not required. Let's say we want a comparison between scan and C-scan. Then we only have to uncheck every algorithm except this algorithm, and then comparison will simply appear. Now we are comparing scan and C-scan, so we will uncheck FCFS, SSTF, look and C-look. Now we can see direct comparison between scan and C-scan. In this section, we have covered an overview about the disk scheduling. We have also discussed 6 algorithms, which were FCFS, SSTF, SAN, C-scan, look and C-look, and also saw hands-on working on this algorithm. We also compared each algorithm with the help of the graph, which made as elaborate as possible to make the understanding of different algorithms solid and also to provide clarity to the students. The user interface of app was built such that it remains user-friendly and is easy adaptable. By the help of the UI, we tried to make the understanding of the concept as rudimental as possible. Hope you guys like this video, and if this is found content useful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. This was all from my side. Thank you.